Okay, here we are in the living room, practicing skiing for next weekend. Ryan, what was the last comment you made? I think we're ready.
Dude, come.
Okay guys, you heard it firsthand.
What's aiming?
That's what he looks like going down. Do the uh-oh face. You're like oh man.
Oh, I can't pop these out with my poles.
Are you serious? You can't? So how are you gonna get out? It's just one's just gonna have to fall off when you fall. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Woo!
Just broke something.
Should we give it like a tour of the kitchen?
I just broke something.
You broke something?
Yeah.
Brian. Okay, we're stopping the